Welcome to online classes. Now I will explain the story The Wooden Horse, Unit 2 from English course. The ancient Greeks fought many wars and had many heroes. One of the most famous war was against the Trojans. Long ago, Greeks battled many wars and they had many renowned fighters. The war against the Trojans was the glorious war. Explanation 2. The Greeks clashed many battles and they had many famous soldiers. The war between the Greeks and the Trojans was the great battle that was called as Trojans War. Explanation 3. Many years ago, the Greeks resisted many wars and they had a lot of famous warriors. There was a renowned war between the Greeks and the Trojans. That was the impressive war which was called as Trojans War. Next sentence for explanation. Troy, where the Trojans lived, was a walled city ruled by King Priam. Here is also three explanations there. Explanation 1. Troy was a city in the northwest of Asia Minor, located in western Turkey. There, the Trojans were living. Troy city was protected by wall around the city. The city was ruled by the ruler Priam. Second explanation. Troy was located in the northwest of Asia. Exact location was in the western part of Turkey. The Trojans were living in this city. The city was barricaded by the big wall. The monarch was Priam of that city. Explanation 3. Troy was located in the western part of Turkey, the northwest of Asia Minor. The city Troy, which was surrounded by the big wall, the Trojans were living there, and Priam was the majesty of that Troy city. The Greeks built a camp outside the city. For 10 years they tried to conquer Troy. This is how the Greeks won the Trojan War. Now for these sentences, here is also three explanations. Explanation 1. The Greeks constructed a site for outdoor living which was outside of the city. They tried to overcome the city by force. That was how the Greeks gained victory over the Trojan. That war was known as the Trojan War. The Greeks, explanation 2, the Greeks created tents which was outside premises of the Troy city. The Greeks tried to take control of the Troy city by force. That was the way by which the Greeks defeated the Trojans. Explanation 3. The Greeks erected the temporary cottages. The Greeks attempted 10 years to gain victory over the Trojan. That was how the Greeks took control of this Troy city. That battle was known as Trojan War. Now, next. Morning dawn over the windy plain of Troy, and the Trojans looked out towards the great camp of the Greeks, which had stood there so long, looked and rubbed their eyes and looked again. Here is also three explanations is there. Explanation 1. Morning came over the breezy plain of Troy city, and the Trojans noticed towards the great tent of the Greeks, which had existed there so long. They washed and scrubbed their eyes and seen again. Explanation 2. While morning, the stormy wind blown over the plain of Troy, and the Trojans washed outside of the Troy city and then observed the cottage of the Greeks, which was constructed early outside the Troy city. The Trojans observed and cleaned their eyes and then noticed again. Several times they are noticing the camps. Explanation 3. In the morning, when the stormy wind whirled over the plain of Troy city, the Trojans viewed toward the great site or outdoor living place of the Greeks, which was constructed long ago. The Trojans stared at the camp and glazed their eyes and seen again. This is the recording for this. Next I will come for your next explanation in the recording.